This slide is titled, Strategy and Structure. Organizational Design for Competitive Advantage, and serves as an introduction to the presentation. The main theme of this slide is the close relationship between strategy and organizational structure in supporting sustainable competitive advantage. This slide explains that the presentation will discuss how effective organizational design can be a strategic tool for businesses to achieve sustainability and strong competitiveness in the market. The image on the right shows a group of professionals discussing in a collaborative work atmosphere, reflecting the importance of synergy in organizational structures. The key message of this slide is to highlight the importance of strategy aligned with organizational design to achieve long-term success. The second slide, titled Understanding Organizational Design, provides an introduction to the concept of organizational design, dividing the content into two key sections: definition and key aspects. Definition. This section explains that organizational design involves structuring an organization to meet its strategic goals and objectives. It emphasizes the role of design in fostering a high-performing and adaptable workforce capable of navigating complex business environments. Key aspects. This part highlights the critical components of organizational design, including hierarchy, departments, communication channels, and decision-making processes. These elements collectively influence the efficiency and effectiveness of an organization. The slide sets the foundation for understanding how organizational design plays a pivotal role in achieving business success by aligning internal structures with strategic priorities. This concept emphasizes the importance of integrating an organization's strategy with its structure to ensure effective execution and long-term success. It is divided into three key components. Strategy. Strategy defines the organization's overarching vision, long-term goals, and desired market positioning. It identifies the competitive advantages that set the organization apart in the market, serving as a guiding framework for decision-making and resource allocation. Structure. Structure refers to the way resources, roles, and activities are organized within the organization. It creates a framework for implementing the strategy by ensuring efficient workflows, clear lines of responsibility, and coordination across departments and teams. Alignment. Alignment is the process of ensuring that the organizational structure is designed to fully support and enable the execution of the strategy. This involves adapting workflows, roles, and resource allocation to ensure the organization can effectively achieve its objectives while maintaining flexibility to respond to changing market conditions. By aligning strategy and structure, organizations can bridge the gap between planning and execution, fostering greater efficiency, adaptability, and success in achieving strategic goals. The contingency approach to organizational design highlights the idea that there is no universal solution for structuring an organization. Instead, the optimal structure depends on various internal and external factors. Key points include: no one-size-fits-all. This principle asserts that there is no single, best organizational structure. The ideal structure varies based on factors such as the organization's industry, size, strategic goals, and the environment in which it operates. What works for one organization may not be effective for another. Adaptability. Organizations must be adaptable, tailoring their structure to address specific challenges and opportunities. This adaptability ensures that they remain responsive to dynamic market conditions and internal needs, enabling them to stay competitive and efficient. Flexibility. The contingency approach places a strong emphasis on flexibility in organizational design. It advocates for structures that can be adjusted as circumstances evolve, ensuring the organization can navigate uncertainties, embrace new opportunities, and respond to threats effectively. This approach underscores the need for organizations to remain agile and context-sensitive, designing structures that align with their unique circumstances and strategic objectives. Core organizational design choices outline the fundamental elements that shape how an organization operates and achieves its goals. These choices include the following. Hierarchy. Hierarchy refers to the levels of authority within the organization, defining who reports to whom and establishing clear chains of command. It helps clarify roles and responsibilities, ensuring accountability across different levels of the organization. Departmentalization. Departmentalization involves grouping similar jobs and activities into specific departments or units, such as marketing, operations, or finance. This promotes specialized expertise within each department, improving efficiency and focus in key areas. Communication. Effective communication systems, both formal, e.g., meetings, reports, and informal, e.g., casual interactions, are essential for sharing information, aligning team efforts, and coordinating activities. These channels ensure that everyone stays informed and connected. Decision-making. Decision-making structures determine where the authority to make decisions resides, whether centralized, with top management, or decentralized, distributed across levels. Striking the right balance allows organizations to maintain control while empowering teams to act quickly when necessary. These design choices work together to create a cohesive structure that aligns with an organization's strategy, enhances productivity, and supports effective collaboration. Centralization versus decentralization highlights two different approaches to decision-making within an organization. 1. Centralization. In a centralized structure, decision-making authority is concentrated at the top levels of management. This approach promotes consistency and control, ensuring that decisions align closely with the organization's overarching strategy and objectives. 2. Decentralization. In contrast, decentralization delegates decision-making authority to lower levels of the organization. This empowers employees, enhances flexibility, and fosters innovation, as teams at various levels are given the autonomy to respond to challenges and opportunities more quickly. Both approaches have their merits, and organizations often strike a balance based on their size, goals, and operational needs. Organizational structures can be categorized into two common types: functional and divisional, each offering distinct advantages based on the organization's needs and goals. Functional structure. In a functional structure, employees are grouped based on their specialized skills or functions, such as finance, marketing, or operations. This approach fosters deep expertise within each functional area and allows for greater efficiency in executing specialized tasks. However, it can sometimes create silos, making cross-department collaboration more challenging. Divisional structure. A divisional structure organizes employees based on specific products, services, or customer segments. Each division operates as a semi-autonomous unit with its own resources, such as marketing and operations teams. This structure enhances responsiveness to market demands and improves accountability by aligning teams with clear objectives related to their division. However, it may lead to duplication of resources across divisions. Matrix and network structures represent modern organizational designs that offer flexibility and adaptability. Here's a breakdown of each. Matrix structure. The matrix structure integrates both functional and divisional structures. Employees report to two managers, one from their functional area, e.g., marketing, and one from their project or product line. This approach allows for flexibility, better resource sharing, and collaboration across departments. However, it can be complex to manage due to dual reporting lines, which may cause confusion or conflicts. Network structure. The network structure involves outsourcing certain functions, such as manufacturing, or logistics, to external partners while maintaining core capabilities in-house. This design creates a lean and flexible organization that can quickly adapt to changes in the market. It promotes agility and cost efficiency but may require strong relationship management with external partners to ensure smooth operations. Successfully managing organizational change requires a thoughtful approach that addresses the human and operational aspects of change. Key components include communication. Open and transparent communication is vital to ensure employees understand the reasons behind the change, its benefits, and its impact on their roles. Effective communication builds trust, encourages buy-in, and helps address concerns or resistance among team members. Leadership. Strong leadership is critical during periods of change. Leaders must provide clear direction, set expectations, and support their teams emotionally and professionally. They act as role models, demonstrating commitment to the change and inspiring confidence in the process. Training. Training and development programs equip employees with the skills and knowledge needed to adapt to new roles, technologies, or processes introduced during the change. Providing ongoing support and resources ensures a smoother transition and increases the likelihood of success. Implementing an effective organizational design involves a systematic approach that ensures the new structure aligns with the organization's strategy and goals. The process consists of 4 key stages. Assess. The first step is to analyze the current organizational structure. This involves evaluating its strengths and weaknesses, identifying inefficiencies, and understanding how well it supports the organization's strategic goals. This assessment helps pinpoint areas that require improvement or redesign. Design. After assessing the current structure, the next step is to develop a new or revised organizational structure. The new design should be aligned with the organization's strategic goals, promoting greater efficiency, collaboration, and adaptability. The design process includes defining roles, reporting lines, and workflows to ensure clarity and effectiveness. Implement. The implementation stage involves putting the new structure into action. This includes communicating the changes to all employees, adjusting processes, and ensuring that everyone understands their new roles and responsibilities. Training programs may be needed to equip employees with the skills required to thrive in the new structure. Evaluate. The final step is to monitor and evaluate the new structure's effectiveness. This involves gathering feedback from employees and assessing whether the changes are achieving the desired outcomes. Based on the feedback, adjustments can be made to refine the structure and improve its performance over time.